I have these models available on my online store. Let me tell you, I found these on one of my shelves. It's been a long time since I checked my shelves, and I found this buster. So this one is available for sale on my online store, customtrackmasters.com. Now the next we have is custom golden Gordon. Let me show you some details. Let's put this close, a little bit closer, so you can see more details on this shiny custom golden Gordon. So I use vinyl on the lining, the number 4, including the cab windows are vinyl. I use some right here. I use the boiler. I use oil-based marker, as you might know, and this is original mark from the molding. You can find this on 2009 models Gordon. So it's working. As always, we check all the models just to make sure they are working properly. And there is our custom golden Gordon. Really nice, huh? So the next we have are Donald and Douglas. So probably you might remember I got the models in the mail a long time ago, and the blister pack was kind of crushed. I don't know if you can see it, but the blister pack is kind of crushed. It's because poor packing, when they ship it, it was the way I received it, crushed, the other one too. But I'm going to put it on the models, so you know what you're going to receive now. So we painted Donald and Douglas blue livery, and we use vinyl here and here and here, sticker paper, and oil-based paint. And here we have also vinyl, and this one is a kind of clear tape right here, clear tape vinyl here, so that you can see the model. And there is working Donald, nice model. So the cab window also, it's a black vinyl in here, and there you can see more details, a little close up on these. Wheels are original blue. I just paint this middle wheel. The other ones are original from Thomas models, never painted. I just swapped from other models. And we have Douglas. There you can see Douglas number 10. Remember, the number 10 and the number 9 are clear or transparent sticker. It's kind of plastic sticker, but that's the best I could make with this model. I do not have a yellow sticker, vinyl for the model. We also paint the sides red. Same for the engine, for the locomotive. It's red all the way around. There you can see, and it's working. Let me change, let me focus. So there is Donald and Douglas. If you're interested, these models are available now on my online store, customtrackmasters.com.